Welcome back. I bet that you're very proud of your progress. How about let's add more sentences under your belt? To start with orange today. Please repeat after me. 我饿了。我想吃一个橙子。好吃。Now a little bit faster. 我饿了。我想吃一个橙子。好吃。I'm gonna say them all together. Please repeat after me afterward. 我饿了。我想吃一个橙子。好吃。One more time. 我饿了。我想吃一个橙子。好吃。Now let's practice with some strawberries. Please repeat after me. 我饿了。我想吃一些草莓。好吃。Now a little bit faster. 我饿了。我想吃一些草莓。好吃。I'm gonna say them all together. Please repeat after me afterward. 我饿了。我想吃一些草莓。好吃。Let's do it one more time. 我饿了。我想吃一些草莓。好吃。Last, let's practice with a peach. Please repeat after me. 我饿了。我想吃一个桃子。好吃。Now a little bit faster. 我饿了。我想吃一个桃子。好吃。Now I'm gonna say them all together, then it'll be your turn. 我饿了。我想吃一个桃子。好吃。Let's do it one more time. 我饿了。我想吃一个桃子。好吃。In this practice, please fill in the blanks with all the fruits on the right-hand side in any order that you like. As a starter, I'm going to read all the fruits in order in case you want to hear them one more time. There we go. 我饿了。我想吃一个苹果。好吃。我饿了。我想吃一条香蕉。好吃。我饿了。我想吃一些葡萄。好吃。我饿了。我想吃一些西瓜。好吃。我饿了。我想吃一个橙子。好吃。我饿了。我想吃一个桃子。好吃。我饿了。我想吃一些草莓。好吃。Now it's your turn. Have fun. Well done. 好样的。See you tomorrow. 明天见。 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.